Hey guys, check this out. This computer I just built, it's awesome.
Oh, hey Chris.
So I just stuck 2 octa-core Intel processors in this thing. Yeah, 24 gigs of memory. NVIDIA graphics card that's got 4 gigs of RAM on it. There's no application this thing can't run on. It's absolutely amazing. And this thing is bulletproof.
Ha. Did you say bulletproof?
Yeah, this thing is absolutely indestructible.
How about you put that to the test?
Okay.
Woo! Woo! And that's what guys like.
Daddy, look! I guess it isn't indestructible.
Nope, I guess not.